Hi friends, let me show you this new wheelchair that I've received for reviewing purposes. As you can see, it's it's not that big, it's not that uncomfortable to bring with you. Let me open it, unpack it. As you can see, it's easy to open. Okay, has a safety belt. Okay, really easy to operate. It's light, and it has these shock absorbents that makes it really comfortable to be used. Okay, let me show you. It has a braking system. You can, when you open it, you want to use this lock so it won't fall automatically over by mistake. Okay, and when you want the chair to be stopped somewhere, you can put the brakes, and they will stay brake. The brake will stay on until you release them like this. Okay, so it's really easy to use. Show you now. It has an 8 inches honeycomb wheels and these shock absorbents, so it makes it really comfortable to use. As you can see, you can use this seat belt and these surfaces for your feet, so anybody can help you. It's really light. Okay, so it's easy to operate. As you can see, it's small. It's really comfortable, it has a soft seat, and it's so easy to use. When you are done and you want to take it back, you just have to release these locks. Okay, and that's it. You bring it with you. It's not that heavy. It can hold up to 220 pounds, and it weighs around 20 pounds. So easy to bring with you, easy to use, and really strong to support you. So you can use these armrests, or if you don't want to use them or you need extra space, you can release them with this lock, and you will have all the space you need to move your arms, maybe to be under a table. If the table doesn't fit with the armrest, you can take them back and you can fit under any table like this. Okay, so it also has this really useful accessory here. Sometimes when you arrive at a small uneven floor or a small step, you can help yourself with this accessory to lift it a little bit in the front and keep going. So it's full of useful accessories. Thank you. If you need a wheelchair, if you have someone who needs a wheelchair, this is a great option for a basic service. Thank you.